We just made it to the metro station and we are about to be on our way to the Cherry Blossom Festival. So we're on the train. We have to take 2 transfers to get to the Smithsonian.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we made it out. Now we have to walk like 10 minutes to see the trees. Officially. There are cherry blossoms right here. All along here. All along there. And there is the Jefferson Memorial. Well, we might like just walk along here and make our way to the Jefferson Memorial. That looks like it's under construction.
Right. Well, let's go check
Everything
it out.
in DC is under construction all the time, constantly, all day, every day. Check it out. There's a guy over here making art, so we're gonna see what he's doing. So the Jefferson Memorial is right here, and we were over here, so we're getting closer.
We gotta cross that little bridge.
We have to cross that bridge, and we'll be there. A lot of people here. It's a very busy day. There's a news cruise, a painter, this guy that was passing out flyers and was like, "Gingers!" That's us. All right, we're going over the bridge. We're almost there. Taking the scenic route. That's the street way. This is
We're cutting down
the scenic route. Okay, we're here. It was just a little walk. Memorial, the monument. So we just learned it's not really under construction, they're just cleaning the roof. We saw some cherry blossoms, so now we're in line for the bathroom.
in the Jefferson Memorial.
We found
There
one.
he is. We can read about history while
We can. Also, the War of 1812. Thomas Jefferson donated his own private library of 7,000 books to replace ones that were burnt in the fire when they burned down the Capitol. I learned a lot of things on this bathroom journey.
Yeah, I've been very...
So we're just here like hanging out because it's really nice and sunny and warm up here. And then there's these guys. There's like some kind of ceremony right there. I don't know what they're doing, but they were saluting each other, and they're wearing and everyone applauded, and they're wearing brown uniforms. I don't know what that means.
Someone tell us.
Someone let me know. So we sat here for a while, like half an hour, and just kind of like people watched and looked around. So now we're gonna continue our journey. We started there and we walked around this way. Now we're here and we're gonna go this way and there again. So we're just gonna make a big circle. And over here, there was like a whole lot of food trucks. So they're hungry and we're gonna stop and adventure out the food they got at these trucks. And then there's more cherry blossoms around, like lining the water. So we're gonna just continue checking that out. So here's the Jefferson Memorial from another angle. One's getting their wedding pictures taken over there. Congrats, guys! Whoever it is. Dude, like the little tree that could.
Coming back.
It's trying. It's like the last truffula tree.
I know, it's like all huddled up, but it's still alive.
We have reached yet another bridge. There's people over here with like canoes and kayaks and a big nice boat. When it has no railings like this, it really kind of makes me nervous. You can just lose your balance and go right in. And that's where we were. We were just there. We're making progress. Ah. So we just kind of stumbled amongst the FDR Memorial Park. It's pretty much just a bunch of concrete. So normally this is a waterfall, but right now it's just duck sleeping sanctuary. Okay, that park was cool. I think it would have been better if a lot of like water features. I was gonna say water fountains. Water features that were flooded out, so it's just pretty much just concrete. But we saw Eleanor Roosevelt.
Mm-hmm, I met her.
We met her. We met her statue. So we just went through another memorial, the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial, and they had some of his speeches, a statue of him. And there's another wedding! Happy wedding! Alright, one more bridge.
Last bridge and we're back where we started.
I'm gonna call it the bridge to the beginning.
Yeah.
There is a pink one. And we made it back to the beginning. We're back where we started. And
Ice
now we're
cream
gonna,
row, and then to food truck row.
ice cream row is right here. There's a bajillion people here. And we're gonna go to food truck row to feed her. There's a lot of like Philly cheesesteak, there's
Gyro,
gyros,
hero, however you say it.
taco. We still can't have carbs, so I'm just trying to find like.
There was some fajitas we can
There's
get
some
back there.
fajitas.
Taco salad.
Let's see if I can find like meat on a stick.
So good, but I didn't get to try it. So
All right, so we all got a little something different. Kelly and I got steak salads. Brooke got chicken tenders, and Melanie and Sophia got
a burrito thing.
burritos. I thought they were cheesesteaks with the memorial, the Capitol, and all the food trucks. We're going back to the monument because Brooke wants to touch it. And then I think after that we're gonna leave. 4-ish.
It's like 5. It's like almost 6.
No, is it?
Yeah, but we sat down at 4. It's 5:30.
Oh my gosh, it's 5:30. We need to go home.
Oh, you're like, I was so relaxing up there.
I know, it was really sunny and warm up there. So I was in my sunspot. All right, we are here. We made it to the top. Brooke wanted to touch it. We're gonna fulfill that dream for her right now. All right, so we have the Capitol, the monument, Lincoln Memorial, and the reflecting pool, and the White House. We're in the center of it all. Also, fun fact, you can do monument tours and go to the top of it. It's free. You just have to go online and reserve a ticket, like probably like a week or 2 ahead of time. And they'll take you to the top, and there's a couple little windows up there and you can see everything. And the reflecting pool actually is green from the top. I know because we've done it. And they do like a little like tour at the top, like they'll stop halfway and tell you about like halfway through they had to change the stone because there was like different builders doing it. Yeah, halfway up the coloration varies and stuff, but they give you like historical facts. It's cool.
Someone had to stop construction for like years, and they picked it back up and kept finishing.
Do you see?
Yeah, you can see.
You can see right like there, it gets halfway up. It's a different color. I learned that when I was here on the tour. All right, our day has come to an end. It is time to go home. Also, Easter is tomorrow, so we need to get ready and prep food and stuff for that. A lot of things need to happen, and at 6 o'clock, and we're still in DC. It was a successful day. All the blossoms were still in bloom. We couldn't go by the souvenir shop, but that's okay. We got to see a lot of things, eat a lot of food. Now to the metro. We're on the train. We're going home. It was real. It was fun. It was real fun. Real fun. So we have the whole train to ourselves now. We only have one more stop to go, and Brooke never knows how to act when she has a train to herself. Ever. Ever. We have made it back to the metro station. Back home. See you later. Oh my gosh, I'm missing myself in the face with the door.